Welcome to the Chic Show. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so today I have some fun, simple, and easy Valentine DIYs. No skill required. This playlist is hosted by Shabby Meets Bling, Up All Night DIY, and Jody at Southern Seasons. Be sure and check out their channels in the description box below along with the playlist. Now let's get started. For this project, all you're going to need is a simple little box like this, 3 playing cards, and some Mod Podge. I'm simply going to turn this little Christmas box into a Valentine box using these playing cards. So I'm going to put one on the front and the back, and then one across the spine here. So let's put the Queen of Hearts on the top. The 10 of Hearts I'm going to place on the back, and you can see I got this from Dollar General for $1, but I probably got it on clearance, so I probably paid 10 cents for it. Now you do not have to do this part, but because I have this little punch, it does round off the corners nicely. I'm going to add more of that Mod Podge, and then we'll add some Mod Podge on top to seal everything in. Now for this project, you'll just need a gift bag and some scrapbook paper or some of these bags like I have here. You'll also need some Mod Podge. I'm just going to use this piece of paper, fold it in half, and cut out a heart. Now you totally would not have to do this to give a gift because there are these, very inexpensive. But this is a DIY, so I wanted to make this for you. And you could also do this for any season using bunnies for Easter or ornaments for Christmas. And also you can embellish it a little bit more. I'm going to add Mod Podge to the back of my heart and then place it down onto the bag. You could customize these bags any way you like as well. You could use initials or anything special that would mean something to someone else. Now I'm just going to use a red Sharpie and add some little stitching along the edges. For this project, you'll need one of these little tic-tac-toe games from Dollar Tree, 5 red hearts, 4 pink hearts, some white chalk paint, wood glue, and this is not necessary, but I'm going to add some rub and buff as well. Change of plans. Instead of using the white chalk paint to cover these up, we're just simply going to turn them over, and that way this can be used year-round or at Valentine's Day. I'm just using some super glue wood glue from Dollar Tree. I'm going to glue each of these hearts onto the blocks. They're already painted for you, so the work is minimal. Just to jazz these up a little bit, I'm going to be using some gold rub and buff. You could use it around the edge of the hearts, but I would do that before you glued them down. I'm just going to use it along the edge of the block. Remember to check out the playlist in the description box below, and I would love to know which of these projects today was your favorite. Here's another video I think you might like. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.